What killed Azoka? You think I'm a fool? I'm not a fool. I said I would tell the world what killed Azoka. And you are telling DSS,
when you watched up this video, this is our brother who house member only representing the IMR. Do you understand me? But I see a lot of things about Anambra state government. Emphasize the also maka onye okwu ebe a bụ Honorable Azuka. No understand nke a unu nụrụ oge afọ kwụchara nsọ ndị na-apụrụ ya ọgbuo ya. Do you understand me? Up to today now, I don't see anything concerning the Honorable. Do you get my point? When I go into the again, go to Ife, this our brother representing the IMR. Do you understand? We got seen a video no concerning Anambra State government to see how operate. Watch the video.
What killed Azoka? You think I'm a fool? I'm not a fool. I said I would tell the world what killed Azoka.
Okay.
And you are telling DSS, I know what killed Azoka. What killed Azoka? Azoka, okay, who killed Azoka rather? Yes. Who killed? I know who killed Azoka. Who killed Azoka are those suspects who were arrested and later escaped from police custody. Have you told Anambra how they managed to escape? The story of how they escaped. Have you told Anambra in details? If I ask you, they answer me.
Pay attention.
What killed Azoka? Azoka came to Oka. 6:30 p.m. He called me that he came to take his Christmas rice on 22nd of December 2024. I was with Azoka late night. We were discussing something now. Yes, now he was the bridge we needed to impeach the governor, and we wanted to impeach him. We needed just one person.
Okay.
We needed just one person. And we co-opted Azoka. We met on 22nd of December. On 24th of December, you sent a message that the governor brought rice. The house members should come and take rice. And Azoka came. Before he came, he didn't call me. When he came, he called me. I said, why didn't you tell me you were coming? You should have told me you were coming. None of them would join people with the run. And the number will still beat them. The House of Assembly. I said you would have called me before coming. If you had called me, I would have told you what is obtainable for you. Now what you were coming to take was 1 unit of 25 kg of rice. All of you wanted to suspend your father, not me. Suspend me now. Suspend me. We'll go fight for that house and I will beat all of that. Brian, this is the following joke. You want to suspend me? You as APGA house members, you as the ruling party house members, party in power. Does he have respect for any of you, including the speaker? Can any of you reach the governor on phone? If there is an emergency in your place now, can any of you call the governor that there is a crisis in your place for him to deploy, to call the commissioner of police to do what they're supposed to do? If not, put on the way they fire now. I said, Azoka, what you came to collect is 1 unit of 25 kg of rice. I don't know how you're supposed to share it to your constituency. Maybe your constituents will come with a small cup, or you share it in grain, or you share it in grains to them. He said no, he didn't know that this was what he was coming to do. I said, you don't come Okana, they go. You will no person, they come Okana, they go House of Assembly. Then he collected the rice. 1 unit and 5 kg of rice. For Christmas, will not be Easter, not be New Year, for Christmas, Almighty Christmas. What do you want our constituents to say to us? What do you want our constituents to do with us during the Christmas period? Person go visit honorable no go fit give am 1 bag of rice. Now what do you plan to set us up against Anambra? No be so. He collected the 1 bag of rice. He didn't get home anymore.
Okay.
He didn't get home anymore. On the first meeting we had with the governor, what he told us was that we cannot impeach him. That he is the one who appointed the chief justice of the state. That if we impeach him, he will set up a committee to look into it, and that committee will be set by him, and he will appoint Glamour as the head of the committee. And then we can now imagine what the report of the committee will be if Glamour is the head of the committee. Glamour is the chief protocol or one-to-one of the government. That you can't impeach him. He stripped us of our powers on the first day of meeting with the governor. And he didn't even call us to tell us this alone. He called all his commissioners to embarrass us before them. And all of you were there. I left the hall. I was the only person that left the hall. All of you were there. At Golden Tulip. If you're not lie, make I give you video. If you say a lie, if anybody comment a lie now, I will post all the video.
Yeah?
Your governor told you that you can't impeach him. You can't move motions. You can't oversight the commissioner. What then are you doing? How can you function? Every day, motion of commendation. Why should I come to the House of Assembly to come and do the motion of commendation? What the only thing we were allowed to do was motion of commendation. Remember how you panabit my motion, panabit. It come turn to appeal. Remember when we went to Enugu for the retreat? I said, is there no way the House of Assembly can have a compelling power on the executive? He said, no. When we do it, okay, we said we form a committee. You said we will form a follow-up committee that will be following up every resolution of the House to make sure that the governor complies with it. After that committee now, after the committee, motions are useless to us in the House because we're not allowed to move motion of request. We're not allowed to move motions that reflect what our people need. You want me to be moving motion of commendation? What am I commending the governor for? I'm not from Aguata. I'm not from Newi. I'm from Ayamelumu. What has he done for me to commend? And you say the list that is allowed is motion of commendation. I cannot move motion of commendation for the governor. He did nothing for my people. Truth be told, the governor is not too lazy. He's working in some places, especially in the south. But you should remember that he's not a governor of the south. Rather, he's a governor from the south for the state, from the Anambra. Alright? You should remember, because there's no way you will exclude us because we are from the south, we are from the north. You can't exclude us while you collect our monthly allocation. So because we no get fathers, we no get Amekofo, we no get Ateze. Now why you go come I am carry our constituency project without our local government allocation without respect or regard. You know go even so make you do magic, make you deceive us more. Make you use small projects, deceive us, make we come out high. Then make you do what you want to do. You must show us we will be full completely. Must you do that? Must you do that? I never want to start with you now. Let me see your nonsense allegations. You say they reply what you don't know. You reply me. Come make me the public now. Let's go for the debate. Let's go on Arise TV.
Okay.
Make me and you do. Make we talk. I get no evidences, so I know be outside. I'm no longer protesting as one boy. I'm protesting this as a house member who has been in government for 2 years. I know what they do. The roads you claim you are doing, Akoloka man, the roads you are claiming you are doing, how much? At what cost? You brought a scandalous budget to us that you wanted to do road.
Pay attention.
You said it was because you wanted to give us stone base, with guarantee of minimum of 25 years lifespan. In the number you all can now confirm if these roads we are seeing that as they are constructing, it is collapsing, they are patching, they are mending. Now that road without 25 years, when you tell us, your roads have not lasted 25 months, they have collapsed. Shamefully.
Yeah?
Alpha Dubai Taiwan. Alpha Dubai Taiwan. Now, Mr. Governor, you know they try. You know they try. I will tell you things you don't know. You said you wanted digital taxation. That we should no longer give money to Agberos by hand. We should not give cash to Agberos. Do you remember at your early stage when you were newly elected? You said you don't want any more taxation, no more Agbero. Then you brought my uncle from Monaco all the way from Australia. You brought Christian Madbuku, a very bright-headed human being. He came and he said that the answer to it is digital taxation. Let them start using POS so that we have a single account. All our revenue will be coming to single account. He gave you great ideas thinking you were sincere. When he introduced the digital taxation, before 2 weeks, we will not remove him. We will not remove Christian Madibuku Abi, we will not remove him. As director of revenue, Abi reached the position. We will not remove Christian Madibuku Abi, we will not remove him. Now they ask now, can't you just come on air or take me to court? Make me another way we go to talk face to face. I'm not scared of facing the committee. Committee no get talk. If you question me for going to an oil facility in my local government, turn a fire now. Because I've told you times without number what is going on there. What have we been able to do as House of Assembly member? You say you write letter, they don't come. You write letter, they don't come. They used to come, now we don't know. They come from back, they give us something. At the detriment of the host community that is supposed to benefit from the corporate social responsibility, which is in my constituency, my people be that when they should change. Now they should change my people for personal gain. What is oversight to you? You are telling me to come on to come with you. What is oversight to you? Oversight, I will go with you, come back, you give me 30,000. You don't get respect, you need a fear. I they give my boys 30,000. What is oversight to House of Assembly? What ministry? Tell me one ministry that House of Assembly has been able to oversight and collections were made. House of Assembly oversight to you is envelope. They have a fuck up. Let's go and knock them. I saw, I know. And we're supposed to be more, if I not to collect, not to check that agency. then you will go behind to collect as usual and shortchange the people who are supposed to. You told them that they did not do their corporate social responsibility, which they know they are genuinely guilty of. Instead of you to force them to go and do it, you do your usual way.